And straight on to the top story that we will be tracking all through the day today. Amid the unprecedented spike in COVID cases, India is all set to secure another vulnerable age group. Those between 15 and 18 years of age can get vaccinated starting today. Now, the 15-plus age group will be administered the Covaxin in 2 doses.
Those born in 2007 and before are eligible for the vaccine, and out of the total 8.7 crore beneficiaries in this age group, 6.35 lakh have registered on COVIN so far. In fact, states have been asked to ensure that there are separate queues and vaccination teams for the 15-18 age group to avoid confusion with the vaccination process of all the adults. In fact, a large number of schools and other educational institutions are being used as vaccination centers as well.
And Mughlen join us live on the broadcast. Ayushman is joining us from the RMN Hospital in New Delhi. And Ayushman, I'll come to you first. Just take us through how smooth is this process since the vaccination, the jabs for children aged between 15 and 18 begins today. What do you see as far as the preparedness is concerned on ground?
Well, we are at RML Hospital in the National Capital. This has been one of the nodal hospitals where the vaccination first began. And in fact, if you see right now, this is the hospital which has been completely prepared for vaccination of 15 to 18-year-old children. Here you see this is Site 1 where we are reporting from. And on Site 1, you see clearly the preparations are on. In fact, the vaccination is slated to start by 9 a.m. today. And before that, as we know, the norms are that there has to be vaccination first, and after that the person who has taken the vaccine has to go into the observation room for about half an hour. The observation has to take place, and after that we are going to see the children come out. There is a total of 7.4 crore population of 15 to 18 children. In fact, a larger pool of children are there in this age group only. So far, more than 8 lakh children have registered themselves on COVIN portal. But it is not just registration. People can even walk in. They can get their vaccination done. School ID and all have been allowed. It will be important to see what remains to be turnout of the first day. But what we know so far is that Covaxin, which is the Bharat Biotech's indigenously made vaccine, has been approved for vaccination in children. And here right now we are at RML Hospital where the vaccination is slated to start by 9 a.m.
Right. In fact, let's get our viewers a sense as to what is happening in the state of Tamil Nadu now. Mughlen is joining us live from the city of Chennai. Mughlen, good morning. This vaccination phase actually comes with its own set of challenges and, of course, peculiarities. What are we seeing on ground in Tamil Nadu? Any special arrangements made?
Definitely. As far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, 33 lakh eligible population has been identified by the government, and 26 lakh is of students who are studying in schools, and more than 4 lakh is from students who are studying in colleges, that is engineering and arts college, is what we are hearing from the health department. And to streamline this entire project, now the Tamil Nadu health department have instructed the school education department to make all the necessary arrangements inside the school itself, because they don't want this school children to go from one center to another. So all the special arrangements are being made inside the school itself. So the health workers will go to the school directly and they will be vaccinating the children there. So today the drive will be starting at 10 a.m. The Chief Minister will be inaugurating the drive, and as the vaccination can be done by collecting either it be the school ID or Aadhaar ID. Now, based on the school ID, the vaccination will be done at the schools, is what we are hearing from the health department officials. So a necessary circular has been already sent from the school education department also to all the schools in the state to make all the necessary arrangements. That is, they have asked to separately keep 2 rooms ready. That is, 1 room for vaccinating the school children, and another room for the observation is the direction that has been given by the school education department also. So to minimize the confusion or to avoid students students running from one place to another. Now the Tamil Nadu School Department and the Health Department have made this special arrangement, and teachers also have been advised to explain the students about the benefits of vaccination. And as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, we have seen that this year there have been several thousand of students dropped out from the school education due to the COVID pandemic. So to bridge the gap, to avoid students skipping classes due to this COVID pandemic, the school education department and the health department are advising the students about the benefits of taking this vaccination for COVID.
Right, Mugilan and Ayushman, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with all those details there. And now from Chennai and Delhi, let's shift focus to Mumbai, as Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray is expected to inaugurate a vaccination drive for children at the BKC Jumbo Center around 11 a.m. today. The city will have 9 Jumbo centers, in fact, to vaccinate children.
Both on-site and walk-in registration at vaccination center is allowed, and as per the city's civic body, BMC, 9.2 lakh children between 15 to 18 years are eligible for vaccination. In fact, let me go across to Disha Shah, who is joining us live from Richardson Vaccination Center, which is located in Mulund. So Disha, good morning. If we talk about the arrangements that have been made in the city of Mumbai, COVID jumbo centers have always been very, very important part of Mumbai's COVID fight back. And once again, they will be used for vaccination of teens now. Tell us what exactly families and beneficiaries should expect when they arrive at these centers.
Certainly, Gauri. Good morning to you and our viewers who are watching us here on Mirror Now. It is definitely an important day because children aged between 15 to 18 years will, have their vaccination. And particularly if you talk about the city of Mumbai, there are over 9 lakh children who are eligible between the age group of 15 to 18 to get the vaccination. As far as the preparations are concerned, yes, there are about 9 jumbo centers that will vaccinate these children. We are standing in one of the biggest, which is Richardson and Cruda's Jumbo Vaccination Center, which is situated in the central suburbs of Mumbai. It's in Mulund. And as you can see, we have already started seeing, children queuing up to get the vaccination on the first day. Remember, the BMC aims to vaccinate at least 500 people on a daily basis, and for the first week they have started, the sessions here at the jumbo centers. But if at all, if they get a good response, then they will start these vaccination camps at the schools as well as the junior colleges. I'll just straight away speak to, two children here with me, the students. Thank you so much हमारे चैनल पे बात करने के लिए. एक तो सबसे पहले आपका how old are you और आप यहाँ पे इतना सुबह आए हैं 8 बजे. आपने ऑनलाइन कोविन ऐप में रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था कि आप वॉक इन कर रहे हैं?
कोविन ऐप पे हम लोग ने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था 9 से 11 के बीच का. हाँ. और अभी मेरी एज है 16.
ओके. और यहाँ पे आके अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको?
अभी हमें बोल रहे हैं कि 11 के बाद चालू होगा.
11 के.
उन लोगों को कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आए, मतलब ऊपर से कुछ नोटिस नहीं आई है, इसके लिए ऐसा बोले उन लोग.
वो बोल रहे हैं कि उनको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आया है.
उन लोग को अब तक कुछ बोला नहीं है, तो 11 के बजे बाद ही करेंगे उन लोग चालू. हाँ.
So this is sort of, the first day issues that we always feel. We also have one more child here who has come with her parent. Thank you हमारे चैनल पे बात करने के लिए. आपने भी कोविन ऐप में रजिस्टर किया है कि आप वॉक इन कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, हम वॉक इन कर रहे हैं. वॉक इन कर रहे हैं.
ओके. एंड फिलहाल के लिए अभी कोविड का सर्च भी हो रहा है काफी.
जी.
बच्चों को लेके आपके मन में कुछ ऐसा फियर है, डर है?
फियर है, इसलिए आज हम पहले ही दिन सुबह ही आए हैं. सुबह 7 बजे आए हैं, लेकिन अभी इनॉग्रेशन वगैरह बाकी है. 11 बजे तक बोला, ऐसा उन्होंने कहा है. अभी वेट तो करना पड़ेगा.
Thank you so much. Like he rightly said, at 11 a.m. Aditya Thackeray will inaugurate the children vaccination drive at the BKC Jumbo Center, and only after that, from 11 a.m. onwards, all of these centers will start, vaccinating the children. And in Mumbai, of course, there are about 9 such centers, and they aim to vaccinate over 500 children a day, is what the PMC officials are telling us.
Right, Disha. Thank you so much for joining us. Shifting focus now to Karnataka, where the vaccination drive for children will be inaugurated by Chief Minister Bommai.
In fact, state of Karnataka has a target of 31.75 lakh beneficiaries and plans to vaccinate 6 lakh odd children on day one. In fact, let me go across to our correspondent Neha Hebale, who's joining us live from Bengaluru. So Neha, we just saw visuals from Mumbai. Even though there is some time left to vaccination drive to officially start, but still people have begun to flock the vaccination centers. What exactly is happening in Bengaluru? What is the arrangement like?
Well, a very good morning to you and to all our viewers as well. Let's just tell you that, in the state of Karnataka, the vaccination drive is going to be taking place in more than 4,000 session sites across schools and colleges in the state. While the state government has a total population of about 31.75 lakh children between the 15 to 18 age group to be vaccinated, the target that has been set is 6 lakh children per day. Let's tell you that while this might sound like an ambitious target, Karnataka, in fact, has been one of the states that's been, ahead in terms of vaccination in, relatively. It's always, in fact, been on top. In fact, in the first or the top 5 states in terms of vaccination. So having said that, let's also tell you that there are several measures that the state government is taking right now in terms of vaccinating, children in schools and colleges. There are, in fact, going to be slots as well for children who are attending online classes and not physical classes. They would, in fact, be given a date and time as well as per their convenience to come and get vaccinated. And if at all any student, whether physical class or online class, ends up missing the date and time that's been assigned to them, they can then go to the nearest primary healthcare center and in fact get themselves vaccinated. That apart, let's tell you about children with comorbidities and what the government has planned. For the children with comorbidities, we're going to be seeing them getting vaccinated at the nearest primary healthcare centers to their school under the supervision of a medical officer. So having said that, yes, while all measures are underway, the vaccination drive over here in the state of Karnataka would only be starting by 10 a.m. and of course ambitious targets being set by the government. Hopefully we'll be seeing a lot of children getting vaccinated. In fact, just about a week back when we were speaking to children and to parents also, when the announcement was made, it seemed like they too were quite elated at the thought and quite excited at the fact that vaccination is beginning, because let's tell you that there were several students over here who had in fact not only dropped out of school, but many who had even shifted to the online mode of classes simply because of the surge in cases over here.
Right. Neha, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with all of that is happening in Bengaluru right now. Also, I'd like to thank my colleagues Disha, Mugilan and Ayushman for taking us through the preparedness as far as these jabs which are slated to be given to children aged between 15 and 18 from all across the country. And on that note, I'm slipping into a very short break here on Mirror Now. News continues on the other side as well.